One TV special report.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass two resolutions omnibussly. First resolution, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the construction and improvement of school fence and gate of Andrea D. Costonera Elementary School located at Barangay Aguada, Osami City, funded by the construction of a guard post with complete lighting system, fencing at back of school, street light item under the Peace and Order Program of 2024, and to perform all acts for the implementation of the project. Second resolution, a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into a contract for the concreting of pathway and drainage system at Andrea D. Costonera Elementary School at Barangay Aguada, Osami City, funded by the construction, repair, rehabilitation, maintenance of school buildings, structure, drainage system, pathways, and other facilities program of the Special Education Fund of 2024, and to perform all acts for the implementation of the project. Madam Chair, I move to pass these two resolutions omnibussly for first reading with reservation.
Move with the Honorable Saulo Salvador, the proposed resolution, two resolutions as being manifested for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the urgency of this project to be implemented, Madam Chair, and for the interest of the people of Osamis, I move to pass these two resolutions on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Saulo Salvador is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 8, a resolution authorizing the charging of the 2022 League of Cities and Philippines annual membership dues to the current operation, particularly the account League of Cities membership dues and contribution to organization under the special programs and projects under the Office City Mayor in the amount of 200,000 pesos. Honorable Chair, I move this motion to approve this resolution to charge the amount of 20,000 for the annual membership of Osami City to the League of Cities and Municipalities. Honorable Chair, for approval and the proceeding with reservations. Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our budget for payment of the annual membership dues for the League of Cities membership dues and contribution to organization under the special program and projects. Move for first reading with reservation.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the urgent demand public interest and in order to comply with our obligation to the LCP or League of Cities of the Philippines to pay our annual membership dues for the city, I move the motion to approve this resolution for the second and final reading, waiving the internal laws. Honorable Chair.
In compliance with our obligations to the 2022 League of Cities of the Philippines annual membership dues, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing these dues in the amount of 200,000 on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Proposition number 9, an ordinance setting the guidelines and procedures for acquisition of real properties by local government of Osamis and location of Los Angeles City Official Committee defining its functions and purposes. Honorable Chair, this ordinance creates the Official Committee of the City of Los Angeles LGU, purposely to be able to function whenever the city will acquire real properties for public purposes. And as of now, the city is negotiating with owners of some properties in Samis to be acquired in line with its tourism program or Muslim. So this committee, official committee, is composed of the following: Chairperson, Mr. Samuel Cristota, OIC City Assessor, members, 2 members, Engineer Marcos Antonis Badal, OIC City Engineer, as well as Ms. Julie Pinapiquet, Acting City Treasurer, Honorable Chair. I move on the motion to approve this on the first reading with reservations, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader on joint motion for the approval of this proposed ordinance as being presented on first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. As this ordinance is a preparatory move for a future endeavors to acquire properties to be our properties in accordance with our tourism program, Sami City, Honorable Chair. And we need to have this ordinance to be able to fix the price of the property to be acquired by the city for tourism purposes. I therefore move this motion to approve this ordinance on second and final reading, waiving the general rules, Honorable Chair.
Due to the urgency of this request ordinance, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. This ordinance setting the guidelines and procedures for acquisition of real properties by the local government of Usamis and the creation of the Usamis City Appraisal Committee defining its functions and purpose as being presented. Move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Approving session number 10, resolution approving the supporting the Department of Public Works and Highways, Misamis Occidental, 2nd District Engineering Office for the conversion of Osama City Coastal Bypass Road, OCCBR, Osama City, the Clarin Interior Bypass Airport Link, OCBAL, and Osamis, Clarin Tangop, Bonifacio, Don Victoriano Eco Tourism Hinterland Road, OCTBBD, from local roads, international roads. Honorable Chair, as these local roads have been recognized as coastal roads from and going to neighboring cities and can be utilized to divert traffic away from the central business district of Samis. And I yield to Chairman of Committee on Public Transportation and Traffic, Honorable Chair, Honorable Asi Romero, to introduce and recommend action on these items, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Marcelo Romero is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majesty Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution supporting the Department of Public Works and Highways, Misamis Occidental, 2nd District Engineering Office, DPWH, for the conversion of Osamis City Coastal Bypass Road, Osamis City Clarin Interior Bypass Airport Link, Oxibal, and Osamis Clarin Tango Bonifacio Don Victoriano Ecotourism Hinterland Road from the local roads into national roads, Madam Chair. passing this for first reading, Madam Chair.
Honorable
Reservation.
Romero is passing this proposed resolution on the first reading with reservations as being presented. Motion approved.
In the interest of public service, Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution and for public interests, Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 11, our resolution authorizing the local executive, Honorable Attorney Henry Pamela Jr. to enter into and sign in behalf of Osami City the deed of donation with acceptance for 183 units smart televisions in favor of the Department of Education Schools Division of Osami City, confirming and ratifying all acts in relation thereto. And I yield to the co-chairman of the Committee on Education, Honorable Lordy Pwede-Cypres, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Lordy Cypres is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you to our Majority Floor Leader and to our Presiding Officer. I move to pass a resolution authorizing the local Chief Executive, Honorable Attorney Henry Indy F. Waminal Jr., to enter into and sign in behalf of Osami City the deed of donation with acceptance for 183 units smart televisions in favor of the Department of Education School Division of Osami City, confirming and ratifying any and all acts in relation thereto. For first reading, Madam Chair, with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
With this, I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Lordy Fuentes-Cypres is passing this resolution on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table. Under item number 10, business for third reading. So at this juncture, Honorable Chair, may we have the personal privilege to hear on PCL matters from Honorable Dingy Siso, Honorable Chair.
For PCL matters, may we hear from Honorable Suizo.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. I have two items on PCL matters, Madam Chair. First is the scheduled PCL Congress this coming September 12 and 13 has been requested by the Governor to be moved to another date due to an urgent meeting in Manila, which is beyond our control, Madam Chair. So we requested by the Governor to have it moved on scheduled days. We propose to have it on Saturday and Sunday, 14 and 15, and we are still waiting for the approval of the Governor if it will be on the 14 and 15. We will be waiting for the communications, Madam Chair, for that, to that effect. The second item, Madam Chair, is there is another communication from PCL Matters, this time inviting all members of the PCL to the third Asian Convergence Initiative, which is entitled the Multi-Sectoral Forum in Understanding ASEAN at the Crossroads of Progress and Development, this coming November 5 to 8, Madam Chair, in Bangkok City, Thailand. Registration fee is 49,500 pesos, excluding the airfare, and we have 2 slots for the city of Osamis. Those are interested, Madam Chair, to join. Deadline will be in September 12, and we will be having its application online as well as the submission of the passport for those interested to join.
Okay, for those who are interested to join, you may just refer and get the approval of the Honorable City Mayor. Okay, thank you for your very important information, Honorable Suiso. Noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, may we also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John P. Duhilong, sir, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John P. Duhilong is now recognized by the Chair for some SK matters.
For SK matters, Madam Chair, none at this moment. Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor
Okay,
Leader.
noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we also have the pleasure and privilege to hear on ABC matters from Honorable John Carlo Moraleon, Honorable Chair.
For some ABC matters, may we hear from Honorable Moraleon.
Thank you, Madam Chair. At this moment, also, Madam Chair, none.
Okay, noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this juncture, may we have the pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the intense people from Honorable Dinquisition, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Dinquisition is now recognized by the Chair for matters concerning the indigenous people.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. We just received a approval of the upcoming free prior consent to be held at Stimson Abordo, Tipan, Osami City, Madam Chair. And the Mayor approved the first community assembly for the application of Press Cocina for a permit to operate. This coming September 16 at the Barangay Hall Stimson Abordo Center, there will be the first assembly of the 5 tribes. Then September 18 is the second community assembly in the same venue. The third is the consensual decision-making or building with the 5 tribes together with the IPS representatives. And that's on September 30, then followed by October 18. That's the MOA, the Memorandum of Agreement, drafting and negotiation, then the signing of the MOA and application for the Press Cocina application will be November 22. After that, Madam Chair, this will be approved, this will be sent and submitted to the City Council for our approval and for our insertion of our provisions that we need to include, then approval from the Mayor's office, then the operation of the said application probably the next year, Madam Chair, if there will be an approval or consent from the tribe.
As of the moment, wala pa approval.
As of the moment, we have to undertook these stages, Madam Chair, so that the approval of the pre-prior consent will be reached. Thank you very much.
I think the Mayor manifested nga mo follow lang kuno sa procedure sa.
Yes, which is this one, Madam Chair. He already approved those procedures.
Okay.
The scheduled dates are already approved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Suiso, for your vital information regarding that Licosina. Okay. Yes, next item, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I may just remind my colleagues that after this session, at 3 o'clock this afternoon, we'll have a program here at the Session Hall. Short program.
What time?
Activity Barangay Lucius Escalar City Aid for June and July 2024 at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Honorable Chair, the time is only 2:30 p.m. So at 3 o'clock we'll have the short program, the distribution of city aid for Barangay Lucius Scholars for June and July of this year. Honorable Chair. Also, our ordinances, which we approve for first reading today, being sponsored by Honorable Cecilio Co. Honorable Chair, we will have to conduct a joint committee hearing as early as possible because these ordinances are needed by the DLG, program of the DLG. But this week, we have activities, the a pair of the PCL, this 12 and 13, Thursday and Friday, cancel. So we can have a joint committee hearing this Thursday if my colleagues committee on laws, rules and style, committee on trade, commerce, and industry, and committee on bioappers kay Brian Clearance man eh. So, tulo committees ang mag-hearing count Tuesday at 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon. If the committee on trade, commerce, and industry, Honorable Honorable Katalim is amenable, cancel man ang atong PCL. So, 1:30 o'clock, so, committee ng bioappers, John Calamar, are you available Tuesday at 1:30 o'clock? So we'll have a joint committee hearing on Chair on Thursday at 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon to treat these two ordinances so that we can see this for second reading on September
12.
17. 17 no. Second reading na ng two ordinances on Chair. Committee hearing on September 12, 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon, and this ordinance will be included in our agenda on September
17.
17 decision, Officer.
Okay. I hope that is clear to all the members of this august body that there will be a committee hearing on September 12, Thursday.
This on the agenda committee hearing, wala man yung penalty, good. This cannot be a public hearing. This committee, but we can invite also the businessmen na interest ani nga ordinances, Officer.
Who will spear on this joint committee?
Joint committees, o committee on laws, rules and style, committee on
Laws.
trade, commerce, industry of Honorable Catherine Lim, and committee on barangay affairs by chaired by Honorable John Carl Moreno.
Okay. The three committees will convene on this particular issue, and that will be led by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, being the chair on committee on law.
I may preside the joint meeting,
Okay.
joint committee hearing on Thursday at 1:30 in the afternoon.
Committee on Laws. Laws, Barangay Affairs, and
Trade, commerce, and industry.
Commerce and Industry. Okay. So the Honorable Majority Floor Leader will be the one to spearhead on the committee,
Yes,
or joint
sir.
committee. Okay. Is that clear to all the members of this august body? And that would be on, on September 12, Thursday, so that we can approve the committee hearing. Your result of the committee hearing shall be approved on the September 17, hopefully, on our regular session.
Yes, Honorable Sir.
Is there any other comments or some reactions towards or some points of clarification regarding the manifestation of the Honorable Majority Floor Leader? I hope everybody is available. That's very important.
Yes, Honorable Sir. Before I proceed to the last item, today is Barangay Day of Gango. May I know from Honorable Moralion, Honorable sa akin, na ba invitation sa panihapon o panihapon? Panihapon. Humana na, humana.
Done already?
May we have may give the floor to Honorable Siso, Honorable Sir. Thank you, Siso.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Honorable Suiso.
Yes, Madam Chair.
You
Thank
may
you
have
very
some
much.
updates.
The Kapitan Bendejo called last night regarding their today's Barangay Day, and then she already communicated with the Office of the Vice Mayor regarding the invitation. Wala na ko na itong giusa tanan. And I think they are preparing us for lunch kaganina, but they can also welcome us if we will, okay, I told her that we will going to have our session 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then she told me we can go there after our session. But I think we have our BNS activity this afternoon. I will going to call up the Kapitan if they're still waiting to wait for us.
Perhaps it could be a dinner na.
It could be, yes. I will be communicating with her this afternoon if we are coming or not, because she's expecting us for a lunch, but we did not make it kaganina.
We cannot have it during lunch, Kai.
Oh,
This is
wait.
about activities. After the session, there will be another activity that we have to go through.
Yes, we'll await the advice from Honorable Negotiation later on.
Yes.
After our program this afternoon at 3 o'clock.
I will call the
Okay, maybe
Barangay
after.
chairman. Thank you.
Because at 3 o'clock, we'll be having the nutrition. Sa man to, nutrition,
Scholar aid to
barangay
aid to
nutrition
scholars.
scholars at 3 o'clock. So we don't have to go out of this edifice kay basig maulahita. We might be late with the 3 o'clock activity.
The program this afternoon at 3 o'clock, Honorable Chair, is welcome address by Vice Mayor, Mrs. from Mayor Indy, and closing by Honorable Catherine Lim, Nutrition Chair, Honorable Chair. Everybody are encouraged to attend this afternoon at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Catherine Lim is smiling, Honorable Chair.
Keep smiling din na siya. Okay. So while waiting for the 3 o'clock activity that we'll be having this afternoon, so we might just proceed to the office of the Vice Mayor. Magtagad-tagad lang ta dito. At while we have 20 minutes more.
There are no more items on my table, Honorable Chair. I am now constrained to proceed with my most unpleasant task. I move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Chair.
This regular session is adjourned. So while waiting kay 20 minutes man lang pod, we just wait for the next activity at 3 o'clock.